Alright, we're recording. Alright. Hi guys, and today I'm going to be making 4 car sounds. So we have a Mazda 787 GTB, I think it is, or GB, I don't remember. Aston Martin DB9, Ferrari Testarossa, and a Lexus LFA. So let's get started. Alright, the Mazda. So I'm going to do a startup, rev, go away, like driving on. No, I'll do a startup, rev, interior driving and flyby. Right. Now inside. And now flyby. That's the last one we done. Alright, now I'll fly by. Right, Ferrari Testarossa. Now I'll fly by. Last but not least, Lexus LFA. Alright, inside. And now fly by. Alright. Alright. That was a lovely video, I hope. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some Smarties, because why not? See you guys in the next video, which will also be today. And yeah, stay safe. And as always, have a bye-bye. Oh, oops, forgot to press stop. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Oh, no. Okay, bye. Bye.